Good morning, everyone. The dignitaries have started arriving. I would call the audience to order. We are privileged to have among us our Honorable Chairman of the institution, Shrijukta Raghunath Mishra, Revered Manager, Shrijukta Pratap Kumar Jena, Admired Additional Manager, Shrijukta Chittaranjan Barisal, Cherished Principal, Madam Sandhya Jena, Much Appreciated Vice Principal, Madam Pallavi Mahapatra, Adored Supervisors, Mrs. Shivani Patnaik, Shrijukta Varda Prasad Paikrai, Mrs. Sucharita Das, Mrs. Subhashri Das, and venerated members of the SMC. I would request the dignitaries to grace their seats along with the audience. I would also request my colleagues to present a flower bud to the dignitaries as a token of love and affection. 48th Foundation Day of a school that started in a suburb of Bhubaneswar. I don't have enough words to express my joy and pride that I feel as I stand here to host the function. Now, I would like to request the dignitaries to come upon the stage to light the sacred lamp and offer flowers to the portrait of Lord Jagannath and Bakshi Jagabandhu. Dignitaries, please. Lamp, the sacred lamp.
Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Panchadasodhyayah. Purushottama Yoga. Sri Bhagavanubhacha. Urdhva Moolam Madha Sakham. Aswatham Prahuravyayam. Chandasi Yasya Parnani. Yastam Veda sa Vedavid. Adhascha Urdham Prasutastasya Sakha. Guna Prabruddha Visaya Pravalaha. Adhascha Mulanyanusantatani. Karmanubandhini Manusya Loke. Aswathamenam Subirudha Moolam. Asanga Sastrena Drudhena Chitva. Tataha Padam Tatparimargitavyam. Yasmin Gatana Nivartanti Bhuyaha. Tameva Chadyam Purusam Prapadye. Yatah Pravrittihi Prasuta Purani. Nirmana Mohajita Sanga Dosa.
Let's join for the school prayer.
Dayamaya Vishwavihari Kena Daya Bahi Mora Guhari Ahe Dayamaya Vishwavihari Kena Daya Bahi Mora Guhari Jara Sara Banagiri Akasa Tumari Rasa Mudhari Prakasa Jara Sara Banagiri Akasa Tumari Rasa Mudhari Prakasa.
Good morning, everyone. We also, as teachers, need to provide our services to the school, to the children, to the society at the best level as possible. Because we are in a kind of profession where there are children who are emulating us, they are following us, so we need to set the example. Come what may, we need to work hard and see that BGM school flag flies high every time, always, for long time to come.
It's time to listen to our ever-spirited additional manager, Sir Shrijukta Chittaranjan Barisal. I would like to request him to come upon the stage to share his feelings with us. Sir, please.
We are an institution who is inclusive in nature, not exclusive in nature. I have seen institutions where only one man runs it. But here it is something different, where it is an inclusive institution where it is including the ideas of everyone. And that is the best part of it.
It's time to listen to our revered manager, Sir, Shrijukta Pratap Kumar Jaina. I would request him to come upon the stage. Sir, please.
First know your history, the tradition of the school. Then only you can say, I am a loyal teacher of the school. We don't come only for salary, just 10 to 5 and go back. No. You have to know the history of the school. To be a role model, you have to go for a lot of self-introspection. What I am doing. It is very easy to say you are wrong, but you see, other 3 fingers asking you what you are doing, sir. So self-introspection, if somebody doesn't do, either dead or an animal.
So next up, I would like to request Shrijukta Nirmal Kumar Patnaik to come upon the stage and share his feelings with us. Sir, please.
Without good teachers, no school can grow. Without good, because unless they teach well, unless they give proper feedback to the parents, which gradually started from Kesidas time, and ultimately the school has come to the state. School has never concerned about this money matter, other thing, or somehow the school children must be educated. That is the objective of the school.
I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Shrijukta Raghunath Mishra, to come upon the stage to share his inspirational views with us. Sir, please.
When only 15 days pay was granted to you, I was literally crying. I said to God, during my period, why it happened? What mistake I committed? My tenure should be termed as a tenure without pay to the salary to the teachers regularly. I am happy that at the end of the tunnel, the light is gradually coming out.
Let us lend our ears to a melodious group song. The song is written and composed by Shrijukta Nalinikant Mahanti and Shrijukta S.B. Parida. The students who have braved COVID to join us are Somya Rana, Vaibhavi Gadnaik, Gargi Das, Abhishekta Mishra, and Somya Shri Malik.
माटीरे बहुजी गंगारी से माटीरे ओड़ी तिरंगा जियो माटीरे बहुजी गंगारी से माटीरे ओड़ी तिरंगा ए माटी गढ़ीची विद्यालय आमा ए माटी गढ़ीची विद्यालय आमा बक्सी जगा बंधु नारी तार जय गीतिगा गारी तार जय गीतिगा
मु खोर्दार पाइक वीर बक्सी जगबंधु विद्याधर महापात्र भ्रमरवर राय कहूछि ओडिशार स्वाधीनतार पुनरुद्धार पाई शक्तिशाली इंग्रेज सरकार संगे प्राणमूर्छा संग्राम चलाई ओडिशा जाति गर्वित और गौरवान्वित विदेश सरकार को विरुद्ध रे खोर्दार जो दुर्दशा वीर माने मातृभूमिर स्वाधीनता रक्षा पाई एवं मानविक अधिकार साब्यस्त करिबा पाई आजीवन संग्राम करिथिले तार अग्रसारथी थिली मु बक्सी जगबंधु विद्याधर महापात्र भ्रमरवर राय आपण माने बाल्यकालरू विभिन्न शास्त्र अध्ययन सहित अश्वचालना हस्तियारोहण मल्लयुद्ध खंडा खेल धनुर्विद्या और विभिन्न अस्त्रचालना शिक्षा करिबा उचित.
Ladies and gentlemen, Neha Mahanti, a pride of our school, wonderful play, and I believe that both the performances today deserve a big round of applause from the teachers. I would like to request Mrs. Sucharita Das and Mrs. Karubaki Samantray to join me on stage for the brief reading. Teachers, please.
कविंक भाषारे रक्त रंजित माटी माँ बक्ष वीर पुत्र जननीर शत्रुर रक्ते खेली थिले होरी बलि देई निज शिर श्री अमर गाथा एबे भी शुणाए इतिहास माटीर मु समय कहूछि.
एक स्मरणीय अनुभूति आम समस्तक पई एई दिन आरंभ होइथिला एही विद्यालय ओडिशा सरकार अधीन 1984 मसीह सीबीएसई ठारू अनुमति प्राप्त होई सीबीएसई मान्यता लाभ करिथिला.
शेषरे समय साथी नूतनतार आवाहन और उष्म अभिनंदन आज प्रतिष्ठा दिवस. धन्यवाद.
बक्सी जगबंधु इंग्राजी माध्यम विद्यालय आज 48 वर्ष पदार्पण करथिले मध्य समग्र ଭାରତବର୍ଷରେ ଶିକ୍ଷାର ଏକ ବୈପ୍ଳବିକ ଭାବଧାରା ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ବିଜ୍ଞାନର ବତିଘର ସାଜିପାରିଛି।
Thank you, sir. It's time to enjoy a beautiful group dance choreographed and enacted by Mrs. Arati Kar, Ms. Vishwarupa Dikshit, and Mr. Aniket Pallav Nayak. They are aptly supported by our students Bhavika Bhadra and Srujani Nayak. Let's enjoy.
सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेसे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भवेभ्यस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते।
The big time now to wish Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School a very happy birthday. I would like to request the dignitaries to come upon the stage and to cut the traditional poda pitha and give their best wishes to Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School. Dignitaries, please. Happy Foundation Day to everyone. Happy birthday, Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School.